You said the U.S. Supreme Court, as they have done on multiple occasions where they have redefined the law, be it marriage or life or whatever, and changed America forever when they did it, you are suggesting that they also changed America forever in some regard to this 14th Amendment. So I do want to know about that. Explain to us about that.
Yes, what they did, and it's really Section 1 of the 14th Amendment that you only need to be concerned with. The change has been so radical that the presidents before the 14th Amendment and presidents after the 14th Amendment are not the same creature. And I'm not talking about their technological power. I'm talking about what they actually could do. The Congress before the 14th Amendment and the Congress after the 14th Amendment are not the same institutions. And the same goes for the U.S. Supreme Court. You should think of it this way. We know that we've had two constitutions. We've had the Articles of Confederation, and then in 1787, we wrote the U.S. Constitution to give the central government more power because the Articles of Confederation did not have enough in the central government. And people say we've had two constitutions. That is not true. We've had and have three constitutions. The Articles of Confederation, the 1787 Constitution, and the 14th Amendment, which was ratified in 1868. That is the Constitution we live under today. You should think of actually as a separate, completely separate Constitution. They are not the same. Well, let's take an example. Take the election of 2000, Bush v. Gore. Under the 1787 Constitution, never in a million years would that decision have been made by the U.S. Supreme Court. It wasn't until the 1868 Constitution came around, and with its corruption, that the U.S. Supreme Court stole that power from the people, and they decided. Most conservatives were happy with Bush v. Gore. I was not. I mean, I didn't vote for Gore, naturally. I voted for Bush. But the Supreme Court had no constitutional authority to do what they did, and they used the 14th Amendment to pick the next president. That could never, ever happen under the 1787 Constitution. But under this new Constitution that we live under, the 1868 Constitution, yes.